Hey guys, what's up? So Samsung was the first company to use Qualcomm's 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor on the Galaxy S10, and though the sensor is great for security as it is more secure than the optical ones used in other under-display fingerprint sensors, it is still not perfect as the fingerprint recognition area is pretty small, so you need to place your finger at the exact location for it to scan and unlock your phone. Now, Qualcomm announced the second generation of the ultrasonic sensor in December 2019 that has a 17 times bigger fingerprint recognition area and can even read two fingers at once for extra authentication, which was anticipated to make its debut in the Galaxy S20 series, but as we know, that didn't happen. So according to Ross, Samsung may be looking to introduce the sensor in its latest flagship smartphone, the Galaxy Note 20 and the Note 20 Plus, which is a far better solution than the optical ones seen in other smartphones. The Qualcomm ultrasonic 3D sensor uses sound waves to develop a 3D map of the valleys and ridges on the scanned finger. It can also detect blood flow, which can be used by OEMs for various healthcare purposes such as monitoring heart rate, measuring BMI, and analyzing the blood sugar levels. Also, since the sensor can detect blood flow, it is more secure as it can prevent hackers from fooling the device with a photo or a mold. Other than that, it has various other advantages such as you can unlock the phone with a wet finger and so on. Hopefully with the 3D Sonic Max fingerprint sensor, the majority of the problems with the first gen sensor will be fixed, giving us a better experience overall. Also, he added that the Galaxy Note 20 and the Note 20 Plus might have a battery capacity between 4000 to 5000 mAh, and we already know from a previous leak that the Galaxy Note 20 will have a 4000 mAh battery. Now, since the displays have increased in size, we can expect even the Note 20 Plus to have a bigger battery. The RAM on the phones is also expected to increase to 16GB from 12GB on the S20 series, which might be standard for both the Note 20 and the Note 20 Plus, but there may be variants with less RAM for the markets, as is the case with the S20 having 8GB of RAM in some markets to have a lower price. The Note 20 Plus is also expected to be the first handset with LTPO technology, which helps in varying the refresh rate from 1Hz to 120Hz that will help with battery life. It is anticipated to save around 15 to 20% battery life by varying the refresh rate to 1 or so Hz when not a lot is going on the display for features like always on display. Samsung is rumored to keep the tech for themselves until 2021, and so the iPhones won't have it till the next year. That makes the Note 20 Plus's display the best for this year. Also, Samsung is about to launch a 50 megapixel camera soon with a 1x1.3 inch sensor size. This comes from Ice Universe, and previously we have heard Samsung working on a 150 megapixel camera, which will first make its way to a Xiaomi phone and later on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Samsung seems to be very serious about its ISO sensors, which have been used in a lot of smartphones lately. Lastly, the Google Pixel 4a may be ready to take on the iPhone SE by undercutting the SE's $399 price tag. According to 9to5 Google's sources, the Pixel 4a may be offered at $349 for the 128GB variant, while the 64GB may be available for as low as $299, which makes it that much more desirable. The Pixel 4a is expected to have a 5.8-inch Full HD Plus display, a Snapdragon 730 SoC with 6GB of RAM, and a 12.2 megapixel rear camera along with an 8 megapixel selfie camera. It is expected to launch in the Android 11 beta show scheduled for the 3rd of June, so we may not have to wait very long. That's it for this video. Comment down below, would you be interested in the Pixel 4a and buy it over the iPhone SE if it launches for those prices? Also hit the like button if you liked it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.